Hey, I need you guys. Guys, I've got another kitchen job for you, but it's gonna need a lot of magic.
Magic? Like kitchen magic? I know you haven't been in gnome school, but why don't you come and help us out?
Okay, let's go!
Gnomes remind us to be good stewards.
Hey guys, thanks for coming in.
You know, the gnomes are hardworking, behind the scenes, taking care of our environment, teaching us to always do the right thing, and they inspire us to do our best every day. My name is Brett Baccio. I'm the president and CEO of Kitchen Magic. Well, our family was inspired to create this company 43 years ago to satisfy the needs of our customers who were looking for an affordable way to improve their kitchen.
Kitchen Magic is an innovative manufacturer that uses top quality materials to produce affordable kitchens. The company specializes in refacing existing cabinetry, but also offers quality custom cabinetry and entire kitchen remodels. Their remodeling transforms kitchens almost magically. Kitchen Magic not only focuses on their products, but focuses on creating a working environment where employees continue to learn and improve their skills. Kitchen Magic values well-trained and educated employees, and many of the workers there have developed their skills through vocational school.
We recruit our plant workers many different ways. One, we go to the local schools and we find talent there. I think a technical education can really help someone succeed in a manufacturing environment.
My name is Katie McElhenney. I am a project coordinator here at Kitchen Magic. If you have a technical degree, I think you have a huge advantage no matter where you are in this company. I wish I had more of a technical background.
My name is Dean Woodring, and I am a CNC operator here at Kitchen Magic. If you're looking to get into a trade, my advice is to pick something you like and go to trade school to learn about that.
Wow, it really is magic! It's not magic, it's the magic of manufacturing.
Thanks for steering me in the right direction. Now I'm excited to go to Gnome Tech School.